Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got these two amazing products right here in my hand, as you can see. Basically what this is some cold brew coffee and a latte that is freshly made. I believe for this one they don't make it anymore, but this one they still do. So it's actually really nice of them to send me these to actually try it out to see how well it tastes and everything. And if it tastes good, then I can let you guys know. But the first one right here is basically the honey lavender cold brew that's freshly made every day before they send it to you. And then right here is the freshly made honey cinnamon latte that is made super fresh. And it was actually super nice of them to send me these stickers. As you can see, they have their logo right there. They're called Always Coffee. So these two are the ones that they sent me, but the only one that they're selling right now, I believe, is the honey lavender and some coffee that you can buy on their actual website itself. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself and what they provided us. Now let me actually go through a quick test of the product and try it out, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, so we have both drinks right here. We're gonna try both of them out. I'm gonna pour into my little cup. For this one, we mostly want to shake this one, but this one you guys don't want to shake it. The reason why you want to shake this one is so that all the actual ingredients is all mixed together. So you can see this is what it looks like right now. So let me shake it a little bit to make sure everything's all infused correctly or not, so you can get the correct kind of taste and flavor on the drink itself. Alright, so I poured it inside. Let's give it a try and see how it tastes. You definitely get like a really strong flavor in terms of the coffee or the latte itself. You definitely get that like honey and cinnamon taste onto it. It's like just slow build up in terms of the taste itself. A lot of cinnamon flavor. So if you guys like cinnamon flavor, then this is really good. But if you guys don't like cinnamon flavor, then it wouldn't be an ideal match for you guys. So that's that one. Let's try out the cold brew coffee now and see how this one compares to that one. So this one you guys don't really shake it or anything because it's just cold brew by itself. You guys can drink it straight up like this, or you guys can add like some oat milk or whatever milk you guys want to add it on. Alright, so I'll just pour a little bit. Let's give it a try and see how it tastes. Wow. This one's actually really good. I think this is actually better than the other one that we just tried, because you guys get that honey kind of taste, but you guys also get that like lavender floral taste that I actually really like a lot. I think if I added like oatmeal onto it, it makes it even better, but I like it straight up like this. It's not too strong because it is a good balance with the honey lavender that's in the actual cold brew itself, so you guys get more like a floral honey flavor than the actual cold brew itself. So this is really good if you guys like more like a honey and floral taste than more of the actual strong bitter taste from the coffee. So both of them are good, but I think I prefer the honey lavender more than the actual cinnamon latte one. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you can see that actually tastes really good and it works pretty well and everything. The latte definitely tastes really strong because of the espresso that they use. The cold brew tastes really good as well. I definitely give you guys that kind of like honey lavender and floral taste on the actual honey lavender one. So the overall taste and the experience of drinking both of these drinks are really good. It just depends on what you guys like more. If you guys want more like a honey lavender taste or more of a cinnamon taste that is like more powerful in a way. But definitely both of them are pretty strong to keep you awake and everything, which is pretty awesome. So now that I did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So if you look on the actual website itself, they're currently selling these honey lavender for roughly around like $18 for two of them. And if you guys buy 4 of these honey lavender, it'll cost you guys roughly around like $25. So if you guys buy more, then you guys will actually get a better deal. But definitely the price is a little bit expensive. But what you guys are paying for here is a quality product that tastes good, made fresh every morning. So pretty much long story short, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one, especially if you guys are like coffee lovers. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have